We will guide you through how to set up Linktree Shop. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to locate Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application and wait for it to load completely. Enter Linktree and press Enter to search for the official website. Click the official Linktree website and allow the page to finish loading before continuing. Ensure you have already logged into your Linktree account so you can access your profile and editing features. Move your cursor to the top right side of the page and click Admin to open your Linktree dashboard. Next, move your cursor to the left side and click My Linktree to access your profile settings. Choose Shop to open your Linktree shopping section. Under the Manage tab, you can enable or disable products displayed on your Linktree page by clicking the toggle switch on the right side of each link. Click a product link whenever you need to edit its details. Under Affiliate Products, you can delete product links. Keep in mind that deleting a link means you must enter it again if you want to use it later, which is different from simply disabling it. Next, click Store Settings, represented by the gear icon, to open additional shop options. Here, you can adjust settings such as Publish Shop, which makes your Shop tab visible on your Linktree page. You can also enable Set Shop as Main tab, so visitors see your shop first when they arrive on your Linktree page. Review these settings before saving changes. Keeping products organized, active only when needed, and properly presented can make your shop easier for visitors to browse. Use the Manage controls whenever you need to update visibility or edit product information.